Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors and everyone to make their own investment decisions through our technology, products and solutions and innovative investment strategies. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen, which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is April 11, 2023, Tuesday. So Bank Nifty 41366.5, 1.3% up, Nifty 0.5% up, 17,722.30. What happened? This morning itself, after HDFC, MCA, there were room available. It was expected that at least 3 to 4% gap up opening was expected in Kotak Mahindra Bank. So due to which there was a momentum itself was somewhere positive, and though yesterday it formed a solid red candle, it opened gap up Nifty and Bank Nifty. What it signifies? If you recollect, yesterday I told that it formed a doji in Nifty, but normally such type of doji is something where you have to watch. I told it is not something reversal. I told that we have to watch. Okay, amateurs, what they would have done, probably fresh who had little understood about the candlesticks and this one, yesterday they would have gone short and they would have been trapped. Professionals know that such a doji comes when it is over there. Wait for confirmation. Always wait for confirmation. Yes, we might enter little late, but confirmation is always better because your capital is protected. If you're a trader, if you're an investor, it doesn't matter. Any price is okay. Any day you can enter, and all these noises are something which you should ignore and just move on if you are a long-term investor. So both opened a gap up, and Nifty finally formed a doji and closing above the Bollinger upper band in the daily chart, whereas Bank Nifty closed slightly below that. So now it is in a congestion zone, that is what they call, or a strong resistance zone. Why? Because above which there is only one thing that is acting as a resistance. One is the Bollinger upper band in the daily, the Bollinger middle band in the weekly, and at the same time the 100-day moving average in the daily. So then that means there is a chance that we can start moving sideways, or if the trend turns negative, tomorrow evening TCS results is going to be announced post market hours, for which the reaction will be on Thursday. But if the reaction is going to be negative tomorrow itself, we can see even a reversal. So hence now it is the time to exercise caution. Probably one more day, tomorrow it can open gap up and it can go up also. But even if tomorrow it goes up, it is time to exercise caution. If you have invested some in the last 10 days or so, it is just better to book some profits and exit your positions, at least 50% of your positions if you had entered some time back. Okay, so that is for investors. They can work out their strategies discussing with their investment advisor. These are all general guidelines that anyone should know, which is why we are telling. We are not telling any recommendation. We will never give any recommendation. These are all general good practices, I would say, right? So now let's analyze the individual components. Banks, IDFC fell 1%, while Access Federal, ICICI and SBI 1% up. AU 2% up and Kotak 5% up. I said that Kotak, because of the headroom available for further FPI investment, that's why the sentiment was positive, right? Of course, Kotak formed a doji. We have to see how it moves from here on. On the financials, Shriram fell 1%, while Bajaj Finserv and Chola 1% up. All others remained flat. HDFC Twins remained flat overall. Insurance and cards, ICICI General fell 1%, ICICI Pru 1% up, others remained flat. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance remained flat. IT, Coforge, Infi, HCL, Intellect 1% down, along with LTTS, Emphasis, Techem and Wipro. Others remained flat, like Apple, Birlasoft, LTIM. Asian Paints, on the consumer goods, Asian Paints and Bata 1% down, Berger 3% down, HUL and Nestle 1% up, ITC 2% up. Automobiles, everything remained flat. Others moved up, like Bharat Forge, Escorts, M&M and Maruti moved up 1%. TVS Motor 2% up. Bajaj Auto and Eicher Motor 3% up. On the metals, it was a good metals day. Coal India, Hindalco, National Aluminium and Vedanta 1% up. Jindal, NMDC and Tata Steel 2% up, and JSW 4% up. Health and Pharma, Metropolis 1% down, while Apollo, Cipla, Divis, Lalpath, Thyrocare 1% up. In the others category, Indigo, Jubilant Food 1% down, Delta Corp, Eris 2% down, Delta Corp and MCX 3% down, while we had Ultratech and EPL 1% up, IEX, India Mart and Polycab 2% up. DLF, which had a dream run, today it moved sideways, but just like what you call, you have to monitor because it has run too soon in the short term. So hence, no, if somebody would have entered, it's time to book partial profits. That's a best practice always, right? That's what we say. With all these things, what do we expect for option expiry day after tomorrow? So Bank Nifty, we expect that on the support lower end, the 200 daily moving average will act as a very strong support. Currently, the 200 day moving average is at 4005. It's a dynamic figure, so hence up or down it can go. And on the upward side, we still feel that 100 day moving average plus slightly above that 100 day moving average, somewhere around 41,821 should be a good resistance point. Nifty, for that the support is going to be 200 day exponential moving average, that's at 17,379, and on the resistance side it is we feel that 100 day moving average plus slightly more should act as a support somewhere above that levels, which is somewhere around 17,986, so 100 day DEMA plus. Okay, so thank you very much. See you tomorrow.